9. The care of plants. In Standard 1, we have learnt about 1. Trees around us, kinds of plants, uses of plants. 2. Animals around us, kinds of animals. 3. The helpers around us, kinds of occupations. 4. The means of transport around us. Now let us proceed further. Are you ready? Good. We have different kinds of trees, shrubs, creepers, crops in our surroundings. They all come under the plant kingdom. We get many things from plants. The care of plants. We must take care of plants because of the following reasons. 1. Forest wealth. We get food material from plants. We get flowers, fruits, and medicinal plants from plants. Similarly, we get wood, grass, bamboo, paper, and rubber from trees in the forest. We must take care of them so as to get this forest wealth continuously. Two, the effect of climate on plants. The air remains pure because of plants. The temperature remains low and the atmosphere is cool. The regions which have plenty of trees and shrubs receive heavy rainfall. So we must take care of the plants. Three, the shelter for animals and birds. If there are plenty of trees, animals and birds can get their food from them. Similarly, they can build their nests and homes in the trees and remain safe. Therefore, it is necessary to take care of plants. How we should take care of the plants is given below. Ways and means of taking care of plants. 1. Plants or trees or crops should be watered from time to time. 2. Regular manure should be supplied to plants so that they grow strong and healthy. 3. Insecticides should be sprayed regularly over plants so that they do not get infected by insects. 4. A fence should be put around small plants for protection. 5. Leaves and flowers of plants should not be plucked unnecessarily. 6. Only those flowers and leaves which are required should be plucked. 7. Trees should not be cut as far as possible. 8. In case a tree is to be cut, a new plant should be planted to replace it. 9. Every year, new saplings should be planted and looked after with care and attention.